flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what is going on?
Hey y'all, what's up you guys? So I'm back with another video, and I am doing my first pop-up shop. I'm super excited. Y'all get all the exclusive. So we are currently, we just got here. I got two loads of stuff. The husband is putting up the tent. We got this tent up, so we about to just start setting up. Lord knows I thank God for the husband, honey, cause this tent gives me a run for my money. We got tables up. We are ready to get merchandise on the table and get set up. I'm excited. These folks over here, they are not playing no games today. Okay, honey, they are ready. Yes. So let's get this thing started. Finally, I'm all set up. I got some customized canvas pencil cases with the matching wristlet to them. Yes, I have those. I have some Oreo cream cake push-up pops. Oh my God, you guys, they are amazing. I have some little what I call whatnots, but they're keychains and some watch wristbands for your Apple Watch, jewelry for your Apple Watch. I have some car coasters out here that I made. Look at these. Look it. Over here on this table, I have my tumblers. My tumblers with chains. My kids' tumblers. I have my scan to pay QR code board. More coasters. I have some customized coasters as well, so you can get your coasters customized. Yes. More designer tumblers with chains to them. I have some without chains. More in the back. Yes. So I am all set up. Look at my tablecloth. I made my tablecloth for my table. Yes, it's a lot of people out here, and there's more coming. I'm excited. Look, a food truck is pulling in now. Oh yeah, we ready to have some good food. Yes. So that's it, you guys. I got my little speaker over there. Get my little music going on. We have jewelry by Paparazzi. This is her business information. Anybody who want to get in contact with her. We have this. She got some good stuff, you guys. Look. Everything is $5, you guys. That is the deal. Like, it's a steal. Look at this. Look at bracelets. Yes, you guys. So y'all go hit her up on this website. If you get you some jewelry, everything is $5. $5. We got some homemade bread. These yeast rolls. Oh my God, look at these yeast rolls. We got jam, homemade jam. When I tell you this stuff right here look amazing. This is her business card.
Yeah. Oh, these are sweet Hawaiian. Okay.
You check her out. These are what?
These are sweet.
Oh, so we have sweet Hawaiian rolls, homemade, you guys, homemade. Her sign. We have penny desserts.
Come on out, Penny's Desserts.
Penny's dessert, honey.
Penny.
That's Miss Penny right there, you guys.
Yes,
This the baker right here.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
want to be like her when I grow up. She got all these good treats out here. Look at this. I see cherry. I see apple. My God, cinnamon rolls, cookies. But this
Chocolate icing on top of it.
chocolate pound cake with chocolate icing. My God, from Zion. This is her business card, y'all. Y'all hit Miss Penny up because she's gonna get you guys right. Yep. Get that information. Write it down and check her out. We got these people over here. These people, they got some good old fat back, you know, country style. They got fresh fried wings. You know I got me some. Look at this, y'all. Look, I got some wings. I'm gonna have to show y'all later. But they got this famous sauce right here. Some sweet heat. He got the fryer going. This chicken, honey. This fresh fried chicken. Yes. You can't go wrong with this. Thank you. Yes, guys. So y'all come out and check her out. Wings, 6 wings for $7. You can't beat that with a stick. Yes. Y'all look at this good old fried chicken. Yes, I'm ready to sit and eat me some good old fried chicken, honey. Yes, y'all know I'm a foodie anyways. So we have Sawgrass Acres here. Welcome to our hive, you guys. She has some amazing stuff. So she supplements. Yes, you guys know about that. Look at these mouse pads. She have car coasters. She has some amazing stuff. Look at that. That's my favorite. I love sunflowers. She have some wallets up here. Look at that. That is so cool. Her mugs is everything, you guys. Everything. Everything. Oh, looky. Nanolife. That is awesome.
Does the highlighter still work?
That is awesome. Over here, we got some more supplemented items. Look, you guys. She got bookmarks. She got it all. She's doing it. She is doing it. Look at the keychains. I love. So I got her information. Look at the coffee mugs. How adorable. Look at the dog. That is so cute. The firefighter. Yes. This is awesome. Awesome. It's the wind chimes for me. Yes, it's the wind chimes for me. That one is really cool. That's dope. I like that. That one. Yes. So she got us some shirts here. Y'all check her out. This information. All right, you guys. Hey, y'all. It is so nice outside. Like, I'm sitting in my good long chair, honey, getting it in, relaxing, soaking up the weather. I done met some great people. It's some great vendors out here. I'm gonna give y'all a little tour later. I'm gonna give you guys a tour later. I'm just so excited. I don't know, stuff like this makes me excited. I love it. It's a good atmosphere. The weather is nice. The people is great. It's a good vibe out here today. A good vibe. But enough for me. I want to give you guys a little tour of some of the other great vendors out here. Okay? So
this is my business. I'm at a local event in, what is it?
Middleburg.
Middleburg.
It's where we live.
Yeah. This is all my stuff. So these are all the little bitty baby clothes. And then all our dog stuff. The dog shirts, the dog hoodies, dog clothes, dog everything. And then we have little string to make like blankets and stuff out of. And then magnets and the hair ties. And then bracelets.
So she makes all of her products, you guys. This is amazing. And how old are you?
9.
She's 9 years old. Oh my God, I'm so enthused. Oh my goodness. She has like some awesome stuff up here. Shirts. This is all stuff that she has made like legitly. Like, this is cool. This is her store. And it's Addie's
Creations.
Addie's Tie-Dye Creations. And she has some amazing stuff, you guys, like tie-dye shoes, hats, socks, bags, stuff for dogs, wall decor, keychains. She has it all. Y'all gotta check out her.
And then we have a bed set.
A bed set, sheet set. Oh my goodness, she does it all, you guys. Yeah, so y'all go check her out. She is 9 years old. Can I get your business information?
It's my business card.
This is her business card. So y'all go check her out.
And then the next event we're going to is Hippie Fest in Salisbury. And then we're going to Banner Elk for the Woolly Worm Festival.
Okay, so those are her 2 next events she will be at, you guys. Go check her out. She is sweet and she cute and she's adorable. So yes, check her out. I'm gonna make sure I put business cards and stuff down below. But yes, y'all go check her out. This is awesome. So tell me what this is.
So these are pot hangers. Yeah, they're pot hangers like this.
Oh, they're pot hangers. Look at that, you guys. And that's neat. And that's different. I love it. I love it. Okay guys, so I have took you all around to see different vendors. I met some really great people, and you met the 9-year-old girl, which her name was Andy. So sweet, so adorable. Once again, that's her stuff over there. We was beside each other. The time has come to shut everything down, so I'm packing up, getting ready to go. It's extremely hot. I'm extremely exhausted. I'm ready for some AC and all that other good stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got some good information from these vendors. Hit them up on their website, check them out, go check them out. Okay, so until the next time, until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye.